discussing the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful, written by Cecil Frances Alexander, who was a hymn writer and poet. This poem says man's life on earth is predestined by God. God judges a man by his deeds and blesses him with the right life. Okay, let's begin with the poem. I will read the poem lines, then summarize it. The poem says, all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. This means all things bright and beautiful is one of the most beloved hymns. Hymns means are religious songs that Christians sing together in church ever written. Cecil Frances Alexander's timeless ode due to nature calls everyone to celebrate the wonders of life, great and small, seen and unseen. The meaning of this song is that God made everything in perfection and splendor. It teaches young boys and girls the beauty of life and God's creation. Let the youngsters develop oneness with nature and the trait of godliness. God has made things wise and wonderful. Okay, we'll move for next lines. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. Which means these lines are telling God has created everything with perfection. The flower that blooms and the bird that sings, and he has added beautiful colors for them. Every bird will and flower will be having different colors. They look beautiful, and he made tiny wings to bird so that they can sing and fly free in the sky. Okay, we'll discuss about next lines in the next video.